Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to give you 9 latest defense updates. Number 1, Chinese S-400 air defense system cannot intercept BrahMos cruise missile. Atul Dinkar Rane, the CEO and MD of BrahMos Aerospace, recently stated in a media interaction that the Chinese Russian S-400 air defense system deployed near the Indian border areas would not be able to intercept the BrahMos cruise missile. The BrahMos missile, a supersonic cruise missile, is fundamentally different from a ballistic missile. Next, India likely to get an attractive deal on Rafale Marine. Dassault's Rafale Marine, which shares a significant proportion of its components with the Rafale fighter jets acquired by the Indian Air Force, is expected to be offered to India at a more appealing price point. The development comes as India prepares to clear the deal and announce the winner of the multi-role carrier-borne fighter, that is MRCBF program, which aims to equip the INS Vikrant with 26 fighter jets. Next, IIT Kanpur has developed Indigenous Kamikaze drone with advanced capabilities. IIT Kanpur, the prestige Indian Institute of Technology, has achieved a significant milestone by developing an indigenous version of the Kamikaze drone, a type of suicide drone. The innovative drone can carry a warhead weighing up to 6 kg and can travel a distance of 100 kilometers. Yes, next. Godrej Aerospace, that is GA, a prominent player in the Lock 2 engine conglomerate, has supplied rocket engines for Chandrayaan 3 mission. He played a vital role in India's space mission by providing critical core components such as rocket engines and thrusters for the upcoming Chandrayaan 3 mission. These components are integral to the success of the mission and have been manufactured by Godrej Aerospace, a part of the Godrej conglomerate. Next, Indian Navy proudly positions first artifact at National Maritime Heritage Complex Lothal, that is Sea Harrier 609. The Indian Navy is delighted to announce the positioning of the first artifact, the Sea Harrier 609, at the National Maritime Heritage Complex in Lothal, Gujarat. This marks the beginning of a remarkable collection of over 300 artifacts that will be installed at the NMHC, offering visitors a glimpse into the awe-inspiring growth of the Indian Navy. Next, Rajnath Singh inaugurates HAL's regional office in Malaysia. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh on Tuesday inaugurated the regional office at Hindustan Aeronautic Limited in Kuala Lumpur to facilitate close defense industrial collaboration between India and Malaysia. Next, PEL, that is Premier Explosive, secures orders worth INR 552.26 crores from MOD. Premier Explosives, a leading player in the explosives and defense sectors, has recently achieved a significant milestone by securing orders worth INR 552.26 crore. The company's impressive track record and expertise in the field have contributed to this substantial business opportunity. In the defense sector, Premier Explosives has emerged as a reliable partner providing critical explosive products and services. Next, Indian Navy to acquire Rafale M and Rafale B aircraft for training and land-based missions. In a significant development, the Indian Navy has decided to acquire 22 single-seater Rafale M aircraft and 4 twin-seater Rafale B aircraft. The procurement of these aircraft will serve the dual purpose of training naval pilots and conducting missions from land-based naval facilities. Next, Indian Rafale M to be equipped with Exocet AM-39 anti-ship missiles. The IAF's Rafale M aircraft, the carrier-based variant of the Rafale fighter jet, will be procured and equipped with the Exocet AM, Exocet EXOCET AM-39 anti-ship missiles. This is the airborne version of the well-known Exocet anti-ship missile family. It is designed to be launched from strike aircraft, providing enhanced capabilities for maritime operations. Thank you.